welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications. So today, guys, we are gonna be showing off my mask necklace. So look at all the different colors. There's like pink, like purple, dark purple. Like there's a lot of colors that I like. Look at my name on it. And then the other side. And I'm gonna show you all of the parts. Putting it on. Look how cute I look with that on. So cute, right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications to give us a big thumbs up.